What if I tell you that now you can add your blog articles as new post on your social media? Yes, this is possible. A new blog is added on my WordPress account and automatically a post has been shared of that blog on my LinkedIn profile. For that simply you need an automation tool and I have selected the best one. That is Pabbly Connect, with the help of which we are going to build the connection between WordPress and LinkedIn without need of any coding and programming skills. So if you want to learn the entire process of how you can create the connection between these applications and want to see how this amazing automation works in real time, for that I'm going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Okay, I'm going to create a new post on my WordPress. For that, I'm going to click on this add post button. As soon as I've done that, firstly it is asking for the title and the body of the content. So for the title, body and the image, I'm going to enter all the details right here. So you can see right over here the title is best ingredients to look in skincare products. So you can see right over here I've entered this body right over here, and this is my featured media ID. Okay, now I will publish this post from here. As soon as I've done that, it says post published. You can see right over here the status has also been turned as published. So now if I'm going to open my LinkedIn profile and refresh this profile post page from here, after refreshing the page, you can see with the same image, the caption as the title and the link, you can see a new post has been created, and this link is the link of the vlog that is uploaded. You can see right over here. Okay, so as now this amazing post has been shared on my LinkedIn profile, as soon as a new vlog was shared, as soon as a new vlog was published. So this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. And now let us create this amazing automation without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. On a new tab, I will browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as I will browse the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear. Before we discuss how you can create this amazing automation, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. Over here in this space, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks and ideas, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, so now let us create this amazing automation. On Pabbly Connect's landing page, you will have two options. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. But if you're an existing user like I am, you can directly sign in from here. After signing, you can see the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you, where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button, and then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear. Now to create an automation inside Pabbly Connect, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here. Firstly, it is asking for me to rename my workflow. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as post your blog articles to LinkedIn automatically. For the folder, these are the folders. You can create your own folder from this plus button. Then I'm going to select the folder workflows and click on this create button. Now the workflow is going to be successfully created. Inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major steps. That is trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands, and action step follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action steps inside a workflow. Firstly, we are going to set up our trigger right over here, and for my trigger application, what I'm going to do is I will select over here as WordPress. I want that as soon as a new post has been published on my WordPress account, automatically this trigger should capture the response of that. For the event, I will select it as new post published and click on this connect button. There you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with this webhook URL and some steps to follow. Copy this URL because using this we are going to build the connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect. Log into your WordPress account. After coming to WordPress, what you need to do is go towards the plugin section right over here and click on this add plugin option. After coming to the plugin page, you have to search for a plugin in the name of WP Webhooks. Okay, just search for it. As you're going to do that, you will find this WP Webhooks. You need to install this plugin right over here. After installing, you will find this plugin right here where on the settings bar, go towards the settings, you will find the WP Webhooks option. Over here in the settings, you will find this WP Webhooks option. Just simply select that, okay? After coming to the WP Webhooks, you will land towards this page. From the panel, go towards the send data option right over here. After coming to send data, you will find the option of what post created, select it, okay? Then click on this add webhook URL button under post created. We have to name our webhook right over here. For the webhook name, I'll give it as new post created, and for the URL, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us and click on this add button, okay? The webhook URL is then going to be successfully added, okay? So this is the name. Then click on this three dots and click on the settings option. In settings, so the trigger to select over here option as post, and for this post status, select over here as published, as you want to capture the response of the post being published, okay? After that, simply click on the save button, and this is how you build the connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect, okay? So now to test the connection, what we are going to do is we are going to simply create a new post right here. For that, go towards the add post section inside WordPress, and then firstly you have to give the title. So I'm going to enter the title, I'll enter the body as well, and enter the featured media image over here, okay? So I'm going to enter all the required details, and you can see right away the title is morning versus night skincare routine, what works the best. You can see right over here this is the body and this is the featured media image, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I will publish this post from here. Now as soon as I'm going to publish the post on my WordPress, I've received it post published. I'm going to go back to my workflow over here and scroll down. It takes few seconds for the response to be captured, and in front of you the response is successfully captured. If I'm going to scroll down, the title is morning versus night skincare routine, what works the best, okay? You can see the date and time of this post being published. If I'm going to further scroll down right here, you can see the body has also been captured over here in the response. With that, we will have the link of the image over here as well, okay? You can see this is the image link. If I'm going to copy it and open it on a new tab right over here, you will find this is the same image that we have posted, okay? So as now this response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means WordPress is now connected. Now let us share this vlog that is posted automatically as a LinkedIn post, okay? For that, simply I'm going to add an action step, in which from action application, I will select over here as LinkedIn. Event is going to be what? Share text with image. Then click on this connect button. This window is going to appear, on which you can select the existing connection from before, but I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with LinkedIn button right over here. It is asking for the password and the email address of our account. So I'll enter the password right here that I have, and as soon as I've done that, you can see right over here LinkedIn is connected. Firstly, it is asking for the author. I'll refresh the page. This is the author that creates the content, so I will select it. For the URL field, I'm going to map the data. How it works is click on this field. The previous step is going to appear with the response. Search for the featured media right over here. This is the image URL, so I'm going to select it from my previous response. For the text content, I will map the data of the title that I have received, so I'll search for it and select the data of the title as well. As now selected the details from my previous response for both of these fields, the data has been mapped, and as we have mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Visibility is going to be public. Then simply click on this save and send test request button. We have received a response in which we have received the ID, that is a positive response. If I'm going to open my LinkedIn profile and refresh this page from here, you are going to see automatically this post has been shared on my LinkedIn profile, okay? Over here, this is the image and this is the title, you can see right here. Now, what if you want to add the link as well with the title? For that, simply you can go towards the text content, press on the enter key, write the link word. Over here, I'm going to enter a colon. Then I will map the data of the URL over here as well, okay? I'll search for the link right here. This is the link of the vlog. I'll select it, okay? So now click on the save and send test request button again, and you can see you've received the ID again. If I'm going to open our LinkedIn profile and refresh this page right here, now you will see a post has been created with the link as well. So you have two options. You can directly post an image and the caption right over here, or else you can simply add the caption and the link and the image as well. Okay, so this is how you build the connection between WordPress and LinkedIn. So now whenever a new post is going to be created on your WordPress site, automatically a new post of that blog can be shared automatically through this amazing automation. If you have any questions related to this automation, you can ask us all the questions in the description in the comment section below, and we will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you want to use this link for your business, if you want to use this link for the reference as well, you will find the shareable link in the description section and simply use the workflow. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.